The BAGSMART 20-inch Spinner Luggage in gray is designed to offer a spacious interior with an expandable feature that provides an additional 7 liters of packing space. This carry-on suitcase meets most airlines' requirements for overhead cabin storage, ensuring hassle-free travel with its compact dimensions of 22 inches by 14 inches by 9 inches. Featuring 8 smooth-rolling silent wheels and a 4-stage adjustable handle, this luggage offers effortless maneuverability through airports and city streets. Crafted from 100% polycarbonate, the hard-sided luggage provides excellent durability and protection against impacts, making it ideal for any travel itinerary. BAGSMART supports their product with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty, emphasizing their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. The luggage undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets high standards, providing travelers with peace of mind for both short trips and long journeys.